It's over. We have just received breaking news, really important information that supports what we've been talking about for the last couple of years. Are you buying the dip, the madness, the destruction, the manipulation, guys, that you and I have seen in the last couple of weeks from the German government selling, liquidated a total of 2.9 billion worth of BTC? It's over. Gone. They are zero, completely gone from everything. Breaking, the German government is not out of Bitcoin. They just sent the last portion they had, which is 3,800 BTC, roughly $223 million to float traders, institutions for OTC trading, right, over the counter. And now they officially have zero. And we also have some important news that, when it comes to the Fed, the U.S. and obviously the SEC, the U.S. Congressman Tom, he's been spearheading the effort to get the bad people and the lawmakers, whoever, out of Congress and out of these agencies because they don't allow to let crypto reign in. He's calling to fire SEC Gary Gensler once again. And this is what we're seeing also from Cynthia Lummis. I got to see her 2 years ago in Austin, Texas for Consensus. She says the U.S. government Bitcoin reserves can help strengthen the dollar. This is going to get intense. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome, guys. I understand that if you are hearing a lot of breaking news from this channel in the last couple of 72 hours, I get it. Just so you understand that in Bitcoin, we're so early and so many different things are affecting our entire market. And this was one that, man, like you asked me, why in the world we went to $53,000? Well, because they sold on us. Look at how the trend was, but now we're putting higher lows. And just, a few minutes ago, BTC, with the news that we received, we went to 58,600 or so. Now we're seeing a little bit of a retracement because people are selling, but we're just waiting for those few whales that are understanding. Okay, because here it is. Now they have completely sold off, and what your guru says, they 2.9 billion. That's what they had. A lot of BTC, but it's now completely gone. So that's really, really, really good news. And people are saying now we go parabolic, bullish. Stand it. It's official, right? Which is really, really exciting. So now what's next? Do we have any other government that holds a lot? Well, the United States holds a lot of BTC. They're one of the biggest holders of BTC and crypto, but I don't think they're dumb enough to sell it because there's somebody else who will buy it at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So guys, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. And I'll tell you, take a look at the description right there because the first 3 links up to 80,000 USDT. I just bought more crypto, Ondo, Jasmy, Pepe, HBAR, and XRP. I've been accumulating, man. I'm accumulating all of those positions, guys, that are meme, but not meme, and just utility layer ones, the whole deal, guys. RWA, I'm really wanna just be ready, man, when everything really sends off. Here it is, German government sending more and more. And I mean, at the end of the day, I think it's exciting, right? Because eventually BTC is a digital asset that people are gonna buy no matter what the price is. And if we are looking into holding 1 BTC or more, well, you name it. Now, I'm very excited to finally say that, Donald J. Trump wins, he's out. He's out. He's going to be out of a job. Why? Because everybody's going to be telling him, hey, you got to fire him. And you're fired. That's just going to be so easy. I will do it. I think he will. He understands that. I like to report the SEC for regulation by harassment. That's what Tom is saying, majority whip. So he is somebody in the House of Representatives that holds a lot of power. And I'm sure the House is Republican, the Senate is Democrat. So imagine if things come around this November and the Republicans get all 3. Ooh, that will be interesting. But for our purposes in crypto and Bitcoin, I think that will be very bullish. If you disagree, that's totally fine. But I'm just telling you my personal opinion. So we want to fire him, and we obviously wanted to see this from Germany. They don't really want to hold BTC. I mean, it wouldn't be really bullish that they would have said, you know what, we have a lot of Bitcoin, let's add more, but they just decided to sell, guys. And we're gonna see those sell-offs because they sent it to the OTC market. Now, I think they're either selling right now because it's OTC, over the counter. Sometimes it doesn't impact the market as same as, you know, if you do it normally. But hey, that could be a trigger for some shorts saying they're gonna sell. Let me just short the market and just kind of like enjoy the swing trading. Remember, we're seeing it in the 15 minutes, but if you are a swing trader looking in the 1 minute, look at this. We're using my log algo indicator, everybody, and that's a buy alert in the 1 minute. This is the fourth link down below, right next to the key emoji. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. You're literally seeing it right here, because if you're into really daily, hourly trading, so you buy and sell, this is what you can get. You buy here, per se, and then you sell here, and that's 1%. But if you're buying $1 million, what is 1% of $1 million? Correct. So it's a lot of money for you and me, right? I mean, $1 million, you're like, I mean, not too difficult to earn in crypto, to be honest with you. But if you're trading at 1, I mean, your loss is not as much, your win is not as much, but it's still good money. So that's what a lot of people do. Get log algo. It's going to help you a lot when it comes to those trading. And eventually, you guys are going to, if you, for some reason, dislike it, 30 days risk-free. So it's just win-win scenario, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. For right now, I do believe we're going to be seeing some corrections as expected. Look at this. This is the 5 minutes. So you could tell how BTC today, it's been over the Neo Cloud, and this Neo Cloud at 7 a.m. finally seeing a rejection because of the news. So right now, people are trading the news. People are kind of like going wild with the news, which is totally fine. But I'll tell you guys, this is bullish for me. I'm very happy that I bought a little bit more, and I'll continue staying in the race. Things are going to start panning out as no more Germany selling. What else then? And the fact is, and with this again, if Germany is selling Bitcoin, an entire government couldn't shake Bitcoin under 50, then what could? Or we have two right now. An election, well, so far so good. Really, there's not many other excuses, guys, other than make sure you buy the dip. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. It's over. Now we up. Peace.